A lot has changed since I last showed you guys the house, so let's do an updated house tour. If I remember correctly, these glass panels were not in yet, so we've got those on the front door. And then bear with me, it's very messy right now. It's very much under construction, but we've got the island in now, which I love. We've got these two lights above the island that I want to bring them down a little bit more. They're a little too high right now. Then we've got the kitchen carcass is covered. Actually, I don't even know if the kitchen was like this the last time you saw it. But we've got this. I think they're going to put the sink in this week. Here's what the inside of the island looks like. I can't remember if we decided to put doors or like little cupboard doors on those, or if it's going to be open. I honestly cannot remember right now. And then we'll have space to have 3 seats around the island. We've got a fan / light fixture in our bedroom. Other than that, I don't think anything has changed. Maybe the last video didn't have this glass window up there, but now we've got the glass installed.
Side eye. Side eye.
I'd say the biggest update is the bathroom. All of the floor is done, as well as the shower tile, and we even have the shower head in. We're gonna add in an extra panel on each side because as it's been raining, we noticed we need a little bit more coverage, but that's how that's looking. I already need to go over and clean this. That'll be like an ongoing thing, but worth it. I love the open bathroom. So there's the shower. I think this is one of my favorite parts of the house. I just love it. Also, we've got this light installed. And here is going to be the sink. I'm not sure what color we're going to do this. We also kind of want to make this an accent wall, like have it be colored eucalyptus green. And again, I'm not sure if we're going to have doors here. Probably not. But this is going to be the vanity situation, and then the toilet will go there. We're also gonna have a glass panel right here. Maybe it'll go a little farther. Nothing has changed about this room other than the light fixture, the same one that's in our bedroom, is in here. And then this glass panel is in here, and we also put a fan outside on the deck here. This was also finished, and then they painted these beams black, which I really love the look of. And then we need to clean up all of this, and we're replanting tomorrow. Lastly, we got these stairs put in to go to the downstairs. The downstairs is not at all ready, so I'm not even going to show you down there right now. But these stairs are beautiful. I love them so much. Oh, and I almost forgot to show you my favorite part of the house, which is this light. I saw this light, and I was like, that thing just looks funky, and it needs to be in our house. So there she is. I think it's so cute, and it's a really good light. Like, it provides so much light at night. So I love her. Those are all the updates for now. We are so excited, and thank you guys so much for your help. I've been asking a lot of questions on my Instagram story and on here, asking you how we should design our bedroom, and you've been so helpful. It's just fun to get your guys' opinion, and it's like you're building the house with us. I'll keep you updated. I love you. I hope you have a good day.